A big positive coming in for GVKZ. The Australian government has approved their coal terminal project. This essentially means that the company will now be able to expand its Abbott Port Point facility and will be able to accommodate the 10 billion Australian dollar Alpha Coal project there. Remember, the Alpha Coal project has a coal mine which has a life of 30 years and will produce close to 32 million tons of coal per annum. It's a huge positive. If you look at the counter, it's given a return of close to 27% in the last 1 month, trading about that 100-day moving average. Also look out for a couple of pharma stocks. The pharma regulator NPPA has issued a show cause notice to a few companies for overpricing of some essential drugs. The companies to whom the notice has been issued include Aventis Pharma, Inswift Labs, Aurobindo Pharma and Ipca Labs. It could be a negative for these counters. Also look out for another pharma stock, Sanofi India, and they have relaunched the reusable insulin pens in India, which at a price which is 50% lower than the import price. Now these pens will also be exported to global markets. It's a positive for the company because a 50% price lower than the international market and then the import price would actually increase volumes for Sanofi Pharma there. The stock, if you look at the stock, it's testing that 200-day moving average. Also look out for Educom, and the board has approved raising additional 1,300 crores via the international bonds there. It is a positive for the company, more money really flowing in for the counter. If you look at the stock, it's given a return of close to 13% in the last 1 month.